Hi everyone, my name is Atesh Kumar. I am a student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. So today's my topic of presentation is uses and abuses of pocket money. So there are many uses and abuses of pocket money, and good, intelligent, supervisor they use of pocket money positively, and he purchase books, stationaries and CDs for academic purpose. And he's never wasted their pocket money for on junk foods and pawns for etc. And he purchase the things for needed person, and he share money for donation. This is the uses of pocket money. Now I tell about the abuses of pocket money. There the unwise bad boys for purchase junk foods and become a health, and he buy unhygienic food things, and he loss of both of you time, or sorry, that money and health, and he involve that bad activities and the futile useless video games, and again loss for time and money. Thank you.